This 2017 Airstream International Serenity 19CB Bambi is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 19 feet 2 inches in length and features Oyster UL, Asian sand interior, sleeps 4, LP detector, awning, DVD player, refrigerator, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, stovetop burner, external shower, auxiliary battery, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Airstream International Serenity 19CB Bambi is 3,852 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.